So, today, I'm dealing with the devil being a butt plug. This is what he did to my house. Look at what the devil did today. He destroyed my balcony because I said, guess what? The gang stalking's over. And they destroyed my house. You piece of shit. How dare you? Look what they did to our house. I hate that they taught them sacrifice. I hate this. You fuckers! You destroyed the house. Why would you do this? Why would you do this? You better say sorry. Look at what you did. Do you see what you did? It's not really a big deal, though. We need a better one anyway. Well, if that's gonna make that go down like that, then obviously we need a steel one. Oh my God, look what they did. Do you feel better now? You feel better? Asshole. Look what they did. This is why I said I want one on the ground so I don't get lifted up.